Hi. I've done quite a few videos on human psychology, psychology tips and tricks for daily life. You might have seen that I have done quite a few videos. Now psychology plays very important role in everyday human life. This is the first video I'm making it today wherein I've been seeing a lot of people getting very scared about this coronavirus which is going on in the country right now. As a psychologist and hypnotist, I felt to share this video with all the people who are afraid of coronavirus by listening to the cases happening, by looking at the news, by looking at the people who are there with corona positive. Now tell me one thing, how do you relate that corona with yourself? The first and basic foremost thing is, I guess I would also term it a lot of things in Hindi, that is major of the people right now think a lot psychologically that if I will have corona, they start visualizing of 14 days of quarantine getting into that, or going to hospital, I'll have to do this. They assume a lot before even getting any symptoms. You are taking precautions. Of course, everyone is taking precautions. There are so many videos on YouTube, on TV. There is so many articles coming in for how to take precautions for avoiding being positive from corona. And we all are taking all the precautions, which is very much right. In spite of that, why still we are afraid? The biggest question mark on this is psychologically. That is, we think. Now I'll tell you a few examples. Like for example, we in a normal routine day, in case if I have or you have some kind of disease or something, and we go to a doctor, that please doctor, I kindly suggest me some medicines and for this kind of disease what I am having right now. We have normally seen doctor, when they are giving us some kind of medicines, they might say that you might feel dizziness or you might feel some different feeling after taking this medicines, but it's good, don't worry about that. Now this is what doctor said. Wherein what happens is, once we start taking that medicines, psychologically, because doctor had said to us that you might have dizziness or you might feel sleepy, you might feel anything, we keep on thinking that, and we psychologically we feel that yes, I am feeling dizziness, yes, or I am feeling sleepy, or I am whatever the doctor have said. Now in that case, which is actually not there, or nothing is happening to you, the medicine is only for the disease what you are getting cured of. But because doctor said you are feeling those additional features extra, because he said to you, and which is registered in your subconscious brain. Same way, I'll give you one more example. Like everyone, almost major of the people might have known about a book called Secret. Almost everyone know. We all have heard about a lot of psychology. We go to psychologists. What is psychology? Basic things everyone know about it. The basic principle of psychology is like every human being knows that, and they believe that we know everything. But tell me one thing, how many people are trying to implement things or try to do that which you know? No one, hardly few. Means if we know certain things, but still if we are not doing that, that means it is our own mistake. Same way, the book Secret describes majority of whatever the case studies are there in that book. All these case studies are related to just one principle, that is called law of attraction. Now, this law of attraction also is a phrase which we majority of the people might have known about this, and we have heard about this. We know what is law of attraction. We know the basics of whatever we keep on thinking or whatever we believe in psychologically or in our brain, we can attract that towards us. I keep on thinking that I want to become rich. I keep on thinking I want to buy a car. I keep on thinking for a good business. I keep on thinking for a better health. anything I keep on thinking, I focus towards it, I believe towards it, I will achieve that one day. We agree to this, correct? This is the same principle. Majority of the people keep on thinking about what if I get corona positive? What if I get corona positive? What if I get corona positive? This is the brain which keeps on thinking because we are continuously listening, reading on WhatsApp, on YouTube, on television, everywhere or in nearby societies. Now, recently government might announce unlock down by phase wise, that is unlock 1, unlock 2, unlock 3. In every residence of societies, as per our lifestyle, we all have an habit of having multiple maids at our place. The minute lockdown opens in the office or in the home, the minute we have more number of people, we meet more number of people, that is understood that it is but obvious there are maximum amount of cases will increase. So right now, as much as there is current little bit leniency what government have passed on and we have started moving out, and we start hearing in our neighborhood about the corona positive cases. It might be in your society, might be on your office, might be in your office staff. Anywhere you are getting that news coming in, inflowing that my neighbor has got corona positive, my office staff have got this, by this. The minute we hear that, again we start getting afraid. Why? As much as any which ways you are already taking some precautions, you are doing everything to protect yourself from that, still you keep on thinking that and your subconscious mind, and you live a life with a fear. So this is the maximum I would advise a practice. What everyone should do is, first thing is, as much as you do not think about it, that why should I get corona positive, stop thinking, stop believing it. In case, even if you have more fear, what you can do is, first of all, stop watching those videos, stop reading those news, stop reading on WhatsApp messages, stop talking with those people who are talking more of the corona as well as the health and hazards news. Do not talk with them. Do not get yourself into that groove of or mind of that where you keep on listening and then you keep on thinking. In case if you are not able to control your brain, then stop listening to this. Stop, avoid, be away from all these kind of news and chats and WhatsApps and everything. The minute you are away, you are occupied with your own work. If you are able to do your own work or business or a job, it's good. You can occupy your brain with that. What new things you will do after this lockdown? This is a new life what you have got. This is the first ever case or first ever scenario on this earth what we have seen. So you can start thinking new, everything new. In case if you are not able to do your work or still you are stuck at your home, you can start occupying your brain with some different activities what you like, what's your passion, by playing or by creating something or by drawing something, anything, listening to music, watching movies, anything. Occupy yourself so much into different activities which will not allow you to think on the corona positive or corona news. This is the best way of being not getting afraid. The minute you attract this, again coming back to the law of attraction, if you attract this, that you are completely busy with your things, what you are thinking of for your business, for your passion, for your activity, for your game, you will try to achieve that rather than achieving the COVID. So stop thinking this and change your life, be happy and turn it into a completely new world with new possibilities, new innovations, new ways of business, new ways of living life. Enjoy with your family. Stop thinking this. This is the bottom line and this is what I would like to share a video. Maximum people would understand this, and I hope in case if you would like to have more amount of change your brain and brain, we also have a lot of training programs. I can give you a lot of training program in terms of how to train your brain to think what you want and do not think for what you are afraid of or for what you are getting more conscious. How to train your brain on this part. We have training programs, we will come up with that also. So once you start this, in case if you are not able to, please comment me on this in my video below the video, or you can message me on my WhatsApp number for more training programs. I have also psychological books which I can share with you, or I can we can have a con call. I can do a lot of help you out in a lot of ways, where we can through a seminar for the corporates or everywhere. Thank you very much.